It's recording.
Okay.
You gonna do one more?
Yeah, I'm gonna go down and up.
Alright. Hey, the last one, Guy wanted me to take a picture of him and his brother together, but his brother was too far behind them. So, are they done?
I don't know. I'll go back up and tell them.
Okay, they were too far behind, so if they are, tell them to hurry up, but if they're gonna do it again, I don't know.
Alright. He said come back around. Aaron said that he didn't get you and your brother because you were too far back.
Try and follow me through there, okay?
Okay.
See if you can. Oh, hold on.
What happened? Yeah. Why? What the fuck happened? Turn this shit off, dude.
Huh?
Turn this off.